Hello everyone, this is the Senuro MZ-70-130 knife grinder. Manufactured in Linyi, Shandong, China. It runs on a total 6 kW power, handles workpieces up to 3 meters long, with a net weight of 2,900 kilograms, and is fully CE and RoHS certified. Its side frame uses double-layer national standard steel plates with internal stiffeners. The thick flat base plate is welded and reinforced, making the machine solid, vibration-free and deformation-proof for years of use. The sliding carriage is cast iron for superior rigidity. We fit a cycloidal pin gear reducer paired with a standard motor for smooth, stable travel, greatly boosting grinding efficiency. The grinding head features a fast lifting design for quick wheel changes. A thickened lead screw with adjustable copper nutlets. You fine-tune axial clearance easily. The dedicated grinding motor delivers precise sharpening and longer service life. It comes with a heavy-duty standard electromagnetic chuck, which generates strong holding force with low heat output and long service life. Ideal for precision grinding of all kinds of woodworking knives.